Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvperPrince here with another video. And today we're going to be installing is an oil catch can. Picked it up here from one of these local, his name is Unimods. Cool dude. He always has like these cool aftermarket parts, like my oil cooler for my Z. That's from him. Oil cooler works amazing, good prices, everything. So, but now let's go ahead and get to the install. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is obviously open up your hood. And the way I've seen people do it is they take off this hose right here. It's right here. And that connects to right here. And I don't think you need to take anything out the way, because I've seen people do it without it. So I'm going to go ahead and do it the same way I did it. But, you know, get some pliers, take it off there and here. Looks a little annoying, but we'll see. Let me go ahead and take that off. All right, so I disconnected it. So it's gonna be this connection right here, and then this one right here. And you kind of snake it out through here. I snaked it out through the back side, and it's kind of clipped into that little, well, not clipped in, it's just laying in that little resting thing. But it's kind of annoying because I couldn't get it off. But you kind of have to just yank it out of there. Be careful. And this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna see how I'm gonna route the new one, and then see where I kind of place it, because I don't have a mounting bracket, so I'm gonna have to figure that out.
What's a mounting bracket?
This is what I got routed so far. So this one's going snaking underneath, kind of like the intake manifold, and then coming up through that stock little holder again, and then into the intake manifold over here for that side. And then the other side is gonna come from here, obviously from here, like that, and then route it to this front one right here. And this is how I've seen people do it, because I think, well, I don't know, I guess that's all the install videos I've ever seen, or of different brands. That's kind of how they do it. I don't know if somehow the other side feeds into this PVC side. I don't know. I really don't know how that works on the VR30. But it's similar on the Q350, because I did a catch can on that also. But yeah, I mean, you're gonna go, I use zip ties on these ends because it's really difficult. It's really just really finicky to just, it takes a little bit to like route everything, honestly. So just with patience, with some pliers, some cutters, and a screwdriver, you should be fine. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side up. I'm gonna later on do a nice little bracket or something and get a bracket. That way it's mounted nice. But for now, I'm just gonna do it like that just to make sure everything works. But let's keep going. So there it is, all installed. Got both clamps on. I just zip tied it right here, so it's a little secured. No leaks. Everything looks fine. Car's idling great. And honestly, usually it smokes a little in the mornings, and it didn't smoke, so that's already a good sign. Since my car started smoking recently, but I know that happens when you have full down pipes. So, but I wanted to do this just to make sure, just, you know, oil catchers are really good for your car anyway. But, yeah. Without further ado, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. And, peace.